If you are suffering from dandruff, itchy scalp, or general hair loss, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how to make this potent oil that will help you to solve all your dandruff issues, your itchy scalp issues, and every issue that surrounds general hair loss, and your hair will begin to grow and shine and become so thick once again. The first ingredient for today's video is known as cloves. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and nutrients that can add to the growth and strength of your hair. They can be used for protecting the scalp from dandruff, which is actually a major cause of weak and thin hair. Cloves also contain anti-inflammatory agents which further help in hair thickening. It helps to reduce hair fall too. With the presence of vitamin K in cloves, there is better blood circulation which stimulates hair growth. It treats dandruff, flakes, and relieves the itching associated with it due to anti-inflammatory properties. So in this video we are going to show you how to do that, and then first of all I had to use the mortar to break down my cloves into smaller particles before I used it. The second ingredient on our list is the moringa leaf. Moringa leaf is rich in amino acid which are building blocks of cells. Therefore this helps in rejuvenation of hair, thereby reduces alopecia. It activates the dormant hair follicles, thereby enhancing hair growth on the bald areas. It is also a rich source of biotin, which is very good for your general hair health and growth. So for the sake of this video, I'll be using the powdered form of the moringa. So I'll take a 1 spoon size of the moringa leaf and add it to my already blended cloves. And then the next thing is to take the cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is famous for its spicy, sweet, and woody flavor and aroma. But did you know that you could also use cinnamon for hair growth? Science tells us that cinnamon may reduce hair loss and even prevent balding. Adding cinnamon to your hair care regimen might aid hair health by stimulating hair growth and improving hair texture and appearance. Cinnamon has been used since ancient times as a remedy for sinus infections and inflammation. Research shows that its rich nutrient composition could also promote hair health. Its beneficial properties make it a popular choice in natural remedies and scalp health treatments. Generally, it prevents hair loss and balding. It also improves hair length, density, and growth. It also prevents hair damage and increases anagen phase. So for this video I'll be using 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon powder. I will add it to my already existing ingredients or other ingredients that are already in the bowl. Then I will get a clean jar and pour all of them into the clean jar. So after that you may want to turn it around to mix the ingredients together, but that's not really necessary. So at this stage, the next thing you want to do is to add any essential oil of your choice. For this video I'll be using olive oil. You can decide to use coconut oil, almond oil, or any other oil of your choice, but for me I'll be using olive oil in this video. So just get yours and make sure you add 5 teaspoons of the oil, and the next thing will be to cover it and allow the ingredients to release its nutrients into the oil for at least 2 days. Wait for 2 days, then you will now want to sieve it. So I'll just cover this, shake it, and leave it for another 2 days or 48 hours, and then come back to it. So stay with me. So after the 48 hours window, the next thing you want to do is to sieve and separate the particles or chaff from the oil. So you may want to use the clothes kind of sieve for best results. So get that into a bowl and turn the solution or your ingredients and oil into the sieve, and then use your hand to gently massage the stuff and press the oil out. So at this stage you want to apply this on your hair for at least, if you're having dandruff, you can apply it 3 times a week at least for best results, and leave it overnight for best results. So make sure you are faithful to the use of this regimen, and believe me, you are going to achieve good results in no time. Thank you so much, but don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos.